I'm Rachel. I'm with Duct Aid. We are a first aid kit company with medical grade duct tape. So the tape does everything that regular duct tape would do, but it's also medical grade. So it has a clean, safe adhesive to it. So it's not going to cause any rashes, irritation, infection on your skin. Essentially, this replaces all the band-aids in your first aid kit. So it does have markings here, as you can see, for different types of injuries. Whatever you might need would be there if you want to use those, but nothing's perforated, so you can tear as big or small of a piece at whatever you might need. So that's the band-aids in the kit, and then everything in this tray over here is also included in the first aid kit. You have basic medications, alcohol pads, burn cream, scissors, tweezers, all different kinds of non-adherent pads and gauze. All of this fits inside of the cloth here. Everything is labeled. It all goes right in its individual pockets, so you're not going to be fumbling around trying to find something in an emergency. You can see exactly what you have there. This would fold twice. It rolls up and fits inside your tape here, and then this is the full first aid kit. So you can see it comes with 30 feet of tape there, and then has the kit rolled up inside. It does have a little extra room there as well. If you wanted to add anything else that you might need in there, you can. And then to set on top, we have a couple pairs of gloves and disposable bags, just to try to keep things as sanitary as you can. So that's our first aid kit. We also sell the tape individually on its own. If you wanted just a roll of 10-foot tape, we have that as well. Any other questions you might have, you can visit us at our website at ductaid.co.